In this video, we are going to be installing and setting up the new Bosch PowerMore 250 e-bike range extender. This is a little battery pack that you can add to Bosch's e-bike smart system on a lot of bikes. Today, I'm going to be installing it on a Tern HSD Gen 2, but this install really can work on any bike that this is compatible with. So the first thing you need to do is actually pull out your phone and look for the eBike Flow app. If you haven't done so already, run the update for the app on your phone, and then you're going to push that update to your actual bike. And while it's updating, we're going to install the hardware part of it. So the hardware side, you're going to need a few basic things. The PowerMore battery, the harness that comes with it, a couple of Allen bolts to install it to your frame, and then whatever extension cable you need for your specific bike. Today, I'm installing it on a Tern HSD Gen 2, and this is the longest cable, the 300 millimeter. For tools, you're going to need some grease for the threads of the bolts, and then an Allen tool to tighten down those bolts. On the harness, you're going to see top etched in, and that means the top of the harness, and you install it like so. In theory, I think it could be mounted upside down, but then your battery will be exposing this to the top, and I don't know if this is designed for water to pull up in it. So even though it would benefit me to run this harness upside down to run a shorter cable on the Tern HSD, I'm going to install it as Bosch recommends. I'm going to put some grease. Before we install it, I personally find it easiest to install the extension cable first to the battery. So I'm going to pop this in until it clicks. And I'm making sure it's clicked in. To remove it, you have to push these two buttons. And then on the back, there's these two grooves, and that's what slides onto the harness. And you want to hear that click, make sure it's on there. And then running my cable up and into the charging port. So if you did everything right, you're going to see two batteries on your ride screen in the app. And then on the kiosk or your display of choice, you're going to see two batteries running as well. Now you're ready to go. Just remember that this battery does not lock on. Personally, on my mountain bike, I've added a strap around it just in case I crash, and I'm always removing it when I'm locking up my bike. I'll also put a couple other Bosch specific videos right here to get you started on a smart system. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments. And until next time, thanks so much for watching. Stay well, stay good, and remember to bike more and worry less.